Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osrs game step by step. Start by making an account and finishing Tutorial Island to unlock core mechanics. Next, choose a clear first goal so your early choices support quests, skilling, or player versus player combat. Adjust settings for camera and controls, then practice combat basics against weak monsters. Keep a simple inventory and bank setup to avoid confusion in this video, I will explain how to play Osrs game step by step. Focus on one combat style at first to build gear and levels quickly. Practice switching prayers and using food to sustain fights, and learn when to retreat rather than risk death. Train on monsters that drop useful items or coins to fund new gear. Use the combat triangle to counter enemies and keep an eye on special attack meters. In this video, I will explain how to play Osrs game step by step. Start common skills to build steady income while completing quest requirements for key unlocks. Prioritize quests that grant teleports, new spells, or access to shortcuts to save travel time. Combine short skilling sessions with quest targets to level efficiently and stay engaged. Track goals in a notepad and celebrate small milestones as your account progresses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.